All right, YouTube, this is going to be a massive, massive unboxing. It won't even fit in my light box. So I'm going to do one at a time. Stand by and check it out. It's Dansco craziness. All right, these boxes are the USPS large flat rate boxes. I purchased these all from a seller. I believe she buys out like collections or whatever, but she had like every single Dansco book and they're sealed. So I don't know much about Dansco books. I've never had one, never owned one. So this is going to be a learning experience for me, and hopefully it helps you guys out understand the value of these things. So I'm going to open all these up upside down because our labels are on the other side, and I might be pausing too. So let's see. Yep, here they are. Okay. So guys, I don't know much about Dansco. All I know is I know people sell them complete, filled with coins, and they get a lot of money. I do know that the company went out of business, I want to say, prior to COVID, and they're pretty valuable. So there are guys that love getting these books. And anyways, this particular seller listed them all like in groups without putting the numbers. And then as I was looking at them, I'm like, man, these are pretty valuable. So all in all, I believe I got 30 books. They're all different, various types. And the way to designate them or the way to look them up is basically to type in the model number, which is 7165. So some of these I might break even on. If you can see here, there's really old prices here. So I don't know if she bought out like an antique shop or something, but they're very, very hard to find brand new sealed. So I will not be opening these up. I'm just going to show each one. So here's the Franklin dollar one, 71.65. If anyone is interested in a brand new booklet, I'm going to be the cheapest on eBay. So when I list these for sale, because I'm in on them under 20 bucks, I'm probably going to be listing these for like 40. So yeah, I'm doubling up a little bit after profit, but some of these go for like 60. I think some of them even go for like $120 for a set because they're rare. So anyways, so I'll be showing this. So this is the 7165 Franklin. Wow, this is really thick. The Lincoln Sense, including proof-only issues. Look how thick this is. So this is model 8100. I mean, that is monstrous. That's a lot of pennies. So I can imagine like this thing filled with pennies, like how heavy that book is. But Dansco's a very cool album. Oh, here's one that's already open. So I thought they were all sealed. Okay, this one's silver dollars, 1878 to 1893. It's weird. 7173 is the model on this. Let's see what this looks like inside. Again, guys, don't get mad. This might sound stupid, but I've never. Wow, these are beautiful. I've never owned one of these. Wow. So that's for Morgan's. Wow, there's spots for CC. So these are all the mints available. It's an interesting year that they shut it off at 1893. And oh, it shows all the mintages. That's really cool. That comes in handy. Oh, 1878 eight-tail fellers. Well, they don't put that on as one of the coins to put in there, but they do show you. Let me zoom in a little bit for you guys. Oops. They do show you the mintages on every single one. Second and third reverse. That's cool. So World Coin Library, the Dansco Corporation out of Los Angeles, California, and made in USA. Like, that's cool. This is a really solid book. So I will be listing this as new. I guess you're allowed to list it as new as long as it doesn't look like scratched up inside. Meaning like people didn't have coins in it, but it definitely doesn't have the actual seal. So that's cool. Again, it's the very first time. Washington Quarter Statehood Commemorative, including proofs. Again, a very thick book. Has the original, whatever came with it. I think this is one of the rare ones too. 8143. So this might be one that's like $100. Again, I'll look these up at the end of the video here. And oh, cool, American Eagle silver dollars, 1986 to whatever. This is the original 7181 booklet. And United States year set. Wow, I've never seen one of these before. That's a 7091. All right, so I'm going to pause this real quick and look up each one of these and see what they sell for to see if I lost money or made money on this particular box. We got 3 more boxes to go. All right, I decided I'm probably going to do this in 4 parts because this video will be way too long. So let me look these up real quick and see if I came up on these. All right, I was going to do this separate, but I'm just going to show you guys. This is how I do a search. So I go to buy it now. So the Franklin half dollar one, that's $26.99. That's for for pre-owned one. And if you can tell, there's a brand new one listed for $48. So there definitely is a premium. People are looking for brand new ones, untouched. You know, some of us put really nice coins in these Dansco albums. I personally have never done so, but that's really, really good to see. So that's definitely going to be a double up. I don't know if you guys can see that there. So that's the Franklin one. And then I'm going to do a search on the 8100. That's the Lincoln cent one, proof only. So that's, again, $44. That should be a double up. And let me see, zoom in a little bit so you guys can see what I'm looking at. And we're going to do the 7173. And click on new. And I always go lowest first, so that's how I do my search. So that one's $35 plus $10 shipping. So I'm assuming the silver dollar one's pretty common because a lot of people collect silver dollars. But again, that's 35 bucks. I'm into it for 19, even though mine is unsealed, but it's definitely brand new. So I guess you can call it new if it's never actually been open. And then the 7181. I'm sorry, 8143. Look at that, $44 for the statehood quarters. That's cool. And the 7181 is the next one. And put brand new. There's quite a few of these listed, but a lot of people like to list just the blank pages. So American Eagle sealed one. Again, that's a very, very common one because that's a set you can put together without breaking the bank. I mean, you might pay a little more for a 96 Silver Eagle and an 86, but the rest of them are pretty common. So that one's $40 all day with free shipping. So it doesn't look like I'm going to lose any money on any of these. And here's the 7091, which is the year set. And that brand new. Nobody has a brand new one sealed in plastic, so mine will be the only one plastic sealed, so I'll probably ask a little bit more. I'll probably be like around $44. The shipping I'm not sure of. Obviously it depends on weight, but I'm a fair, when I resell my stuff, I'm really fair. I put the exact weight. Sometimes people put a generic shipping number like that because they're going to ship it in an actual USPS prepaid box, so it's like a set rate for everybody. I might do that. I'm going to go see if I have medium boxes, but I got to see what these fit in. All right, so this concludes. Let me go back to my light box. All right, so this concludes part 1 of the 4 Dansco albums, but so far it looks like a double up on each one. And when I mean double up, meaning I paid 19, can sell it for 40. Might make about, $12, $15 profit on a book, but I don't have to do anything, and it's really easy to take pictures. You just take pictures of it, the condition. Obviously, these aren't perfect, but they are brand new. They are sealed, and the silver dollar one, even though it doesn't have the plastic on it, it's brand new. No one's ever used it. So again, I don't know if you guys are into this kind of stuff or if you're looking for a booklet that's brand new, but I'm going to be pretty much the cheapest one on eBay, and I'll have these available if you guys are looking for one. I'll list my store information in the description. All right, thanks a lot, guys, and I'll do 3 more of these, the 3 boxes that remain. Hopefully we'll hit a home run. I think one of the $120 ones is in one of the other boxes, but we'll see. Again, we're going to find out live. All right, have a good one, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and check out my next video.